Okay, Redbird. I got you the game you wanted. Dude, I know you put to give me a game, but it's not Christmas yet. What are you planning of? Well, I got you something regardless. Did you get what I wanted? Well, you didn't say that you know what I wanted, right? Because if you get what I want, that's bad. Yeah, sure. I got what you wanted. Oh, wait, do you remind me what you got? Why do you have to remind you? Because you already got it. Well, just tell me. Oh, I want that Super Mario Odyssey game. I want it so bad. It's always sold out. Actually, it's not sold out. It's actually not sold out. Give it to me now. I'll play it right now. Uh, let me grab it. Jeez, it takes so long. Here. Uh, what the heck is this? Oh, I thought you wanted a movie from 1973. Hey, get off! Get off! Get off! Ah, sorry. Ow. What? Uh-oh. Get what you gave me one. Wait, sorry, I gotta take you out. Dude, why you take me out? You know what you want? Get out, here. You get stupid games. I don't want stupid movies. I want stupid movies about dying. I'm gonna get you. No!